Mastering Metaphors, Unraveling, Plow a Straight Line. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that's rich in imagery and meaning: plow a straight line. This metaphor is not just about farming, it's a powerful lesson in life and dedication. So, let's plow ahead and uncover the layers behind this expression. Before we delve into the metaphorical significance, it's crucial to understand what this phrase means on a literal level. To plow means to turn over the earth with a plow, which is a large farming tool used for cutting, lifting, and turning over soil. A straight line refers to the most direct path or course without any curves or deviations. Farmers aim to plow straight lines to ensure their fields are evenly and efficiently prepared for planting. This action requires focus, skill, and steady hands. Now, let's explore the metaphorical depth of plow a straight line. Metaphorically, this phrase is used to encourage someone to proceed in a direct and unwavering manner towards their goals or objectives, without getting sidetracked or discouraged by obstacles. It symbolizes the importance of consistency, persistence, and focus in achieving success. Whether it's pursuing a career, education, or personal growth, the idea is to stay committed to your path, much like a farmer meticulously preparing a field for a fruitful harvest. To illustrate, imagine someone studying for an important exam. By plowing a straight line, they dedicate themselves to regular, focused study sessions without procrastination or distraction. Or consider an athlete training for a competition. They plow a straight line by following a rigorous training schedule and diet, aiming for peak performance. Understanding and applying the principle of plowing a straight line in our lives can be incredibly impactful. It teaches us the value of hard work, discipline, and the importance of having a clear direction. This metaphor encourages us to set our sights on our goals and push forward with determination, reminding us that the fruits of our labor are well worth the effort. Thank you for joining us as we explored the rich meanings behind plow a straight line. We hope this video has not only enlightened you about this expressive English phrase but also inspired you to apply its wisdom in your journey towards your goals. Remember, the straightest path might require the most effort to maintain, but it often leads to the greatest rewards. Keep plowing your straight line, and see where it takes you. Until next time, happy learning!